Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with RemoBell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use RemoBell S.
Meet the new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. This video doorbell is packed with great features. It records in HD video with HDR, has a wide 180-degree diagonal viewing angle, and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Deter unwanted guests with a built-in siren. Hear and speak to visitors with a two-way audio feature. Here's what's included in the box. Attached to the doorbell is the flat mounting plate. The included release pin is used to remove the plate prior to your video doorbell installation. Keep this release pin in a safe place to use later. This is the optional angled mounting plate. Use this plate to provide a better view if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. Here's the long-lasting rechargeable battery and the battery charging cable. This is the wall mount screw kit for mounting. Here's the wire extension kit, in case you need additional wire length to connect your video doorbell when choosing to hardwire to an existing doorbell and chime system to enable continuous charging. The quick start guide will help walk you through the initial setup steps. Setup is quick and easy. Please check out our how-to video for information on how to set up your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free.
What's so pro about the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2? Let's take a look. Now you can see more with our new head-to-toe video, so you'll never miss what's on your porch. Hear more with HD audio that delivers our cleanest sound yet.
Come on, Callie, we're going now. Hey, girl! Hi, I'll be right down.
Can't make it to your phone? Let Alexa do the talking.
Delivered for John.
Please leave the package behind the railing.
And no more with bird's eye view, so you're aware if someone's there and where they've been.
Hello?
Hi, cable guy.
Nah.
You're right. I'm not.
The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 works with your other Ring devices and beyond for the most seamless experience out there. If someone's at the door,
Hi, can you let us in?
you can let them in.
Nope, I'm out.
If your lights sense motion, you'll know who's there. If your alarm is triggered, your doorbell starts recording automatically. And you can control it all from one convenient place, the Ring app. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It's smart security made simple. Meet the Ring Video Doorbell 4, the newest version of our signature doorbell.
Hey. Oh, hey.
That works on any home. Get alerts right on your phone.
Hey, I didn't order that for you guys.
Sorry.
Color pre-roll video starts recording before you even get a motion alert, so you never miss a moment. It's the first feature of its kind for battery doorbells, and it's only on Ring.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Can't get to the phone? Let Quick Replies take a message for you.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Voicemail for your doorbell? That's awesome.
And they're handy when you've got better things to do.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Even the doorbells now.
And it's all right in the Ring app. Connects with Ring cameras, Ring alarm, lights, locks, and Alexa.
Hey, are you ready? Hey, guys, I'll be right there. Awesome.
The Ring Video Doorbell 4. The advanced protecting, message taking, enhanced recording, next generation video doorbell from Ring.
Worried about your home security? Let's talk about the brand new Video Doorbell X3 from 360. It uses the most advanced technology to date, and it only takes seconds to install. The 5-megapixel doorbell camera can capture clear, high-definition images without distortion. When someone enters the front door, you can see all the details clearly.
ist nichts viel daher.
With wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, the picture will not lose its details due to the backlighting. And night vision offers you a sharp view in the dark environment. The 360 video doorbell has a 30 feet large detection range, a 162 degrees wide viewing angle, and a tall 4:3 aspect ratio. You can also customize the monitoring range to filter the busy sidewalks and roads nearby. With the radar sensor and human detection, you won't be notified when pedestrians or cars are just passing by.
Hi there, what can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
With package arrival detection, there will be no more lost packages. If you are inconvenient to talk, the video doorbell replies with a quick reply message.
You can leave it. Thank you.
Simple and fast. When you are alone at home, voice changing function is always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
I know, maybe you don't need it. Intelligent face recognition informs you who is at the door with a message. You can also check and replay historical records through the app. If you are asleep and a suspicious person stays in front of the door, or someone tries to steal the doorbell, it will capture the ordeal, and the doorbell will automatically send a siren to scare them away. You will also receive an alert and a video playback on your phone. You can also install it using screws on the uneven walls and hardwire it. Or you can choose to use its rechargeable built-in battery, which can last 6 months on a single charge, and an extended battery pack can boost it to last for up to 18 months. The 360 doorbell is tough from the inside out. The IP66 waterproof and dustproof design means that the doorbell can be tough on crime even in extreme weather conditions. The X3 doorbell has a customizable ringtone, so you can choose the best wishes to find the holiday cheers. Banking-level end-to-end data encryption guards your privacy, so you don't have to worry about your data being stolen or leaked. 360. Advanced video doorbell, sharper, smarter, and more secure.
Amcrest is proud to introduce the new 2K Wi-Fi video doorbell that is built with the same high-quality components and amazing image quality that all of our customers have come to love and trust. This Wi-Fi doorbell features magnificent 2K Ultra HD video resolution and boasts a super wide 164-degree viewing angle, as well as up to 16 feet night vision with infrared motion detection, two-way talk communication, and smart human detection motion notifications, all visible directly from your smartphone device using the Amcrest Smart Home app. The Amcrest video doorbell is designed to provide added security as well as peace of mind, connecting you with what matters most from anywhere. This video will show you how to install your new video doorbell, including the chime kit. Also, please see the app setup video to connect your video doorbell to your mobile device using the Amcrest Smart Home app. Our professional installer will now walk you through the rest of the way with the installation of your Amcrest 2K doorbell.
Hello and thank you for watching this Amcrest tutorial. Now let's proceed with the installation and setup of your Amcrest 2K doorbell.
Hi, this is the Lorex 2K QHD doorbell, and we're doing an unboxing. Now let's take a look at what's included. So of course you have your quick start guide, the doorbell itself, your standard vertical and horizontal mounting brackets, USB cable, 2 anchors, 2 screws, and 3 wire caps, your chime kit, 2 wire extenders, drill bit, and the release pin. All right, now let's take a closer look at the camera. The front has the camera itself, microphone, the status indicator, and the call button. Now the back has the micro USB port, the micro SD card slot, and the reset button. These are the two power ports. Now the bottom has the night light and the speaker. The 2K QHD doorbell has a clean, minimalistic look with rounded corners and an LED light surrounding the call button for easy visibility and status indication. Take advantage of the built-in person detection feature, which comes at no extra cost. I like this feature because the doorbell automatically detects people and sends you live notifications if anyone is at your front door. The notification comes up on any smartphone through the Lorex Home app, which is free to download. It also has an impressive 2K QHD resolution that is 2 times the 1080p HD resolution, which means larger color and brightness range, and is visually more impactful. Now, the camera uses high dynamic range imaging to automatically correct light exposure, so videos are clear day and night. Lorex's unique color night vision delivers more detail and vibrant colors, even in low light, to all your video recordings. On your phone, you'll get a notification from the Lorex Home app when someone rings the doorbell. Using one of 3 quick responses, you can answer remotely from anywhere. The Lorex Home app also has the option of recording your own custom messages for a nice little personal touch. Let me show you. You've got "We'll be right there," "Please leave the package at the door," and "Nobody can come to the door right now." Let's try one.
We'll be right there.
With built-in mic and speaker, you can answer the door remotely via the two-way talk without ever having to open the door. And you can activate the siren. Another great feature is the built-in LED night light at the bottom of the doorbell. Here, let me show you. Now, this added security can be programmed to a schedule, like when you arrive from work, or activated when motion is detected to deter unwanted guests. The doorbell can be mixed and matched with Lorex's wide range of smart home wired and wireless devices to help you create a perfect smart home. You can even pair with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Security starts at the front door with the Lorex 2K QHD doorbell. Detect, record, and ring.